You are standing in a shop, or sitting with friends, or meeting someone completely new. They look down, then they look up at you and smile. I love your shoes. Where did you get those? 5 words. A simple, friendly question. And yet something inside you freezes. You know exactly what you want to say. You can picture the answer perfectly in your head. But in English, the words just will not come. Today that changes. By the end of this lesson, you will know exactly how to talk about your shoes in English. The style, the color, the material, where you got them, and how you feel about them. Real sentences. Natural English, the kind that keeps the conversation going. Let's begin. Describing the style. The first thing people notice is the style. What kind of shoes are they? In English, we have very specific names for different shoe styles. Let's learn the most important ones. Sneakers. These are casual, sporty shoes, also called trainers in British English. Heels. Shoes with a raised heel. Elegant and formal. Boots. Shoes that cover the ankle or higher. Loafers. Flat, slip-on shoes. Smart but comfortable. Sandals. Open shoes for warm weather. Flats. Simple, flat shoes with no heel. Now let's use them in sentences. These are my favorite sneakers. Say it. These are my favorite sneakers. I just bought a new pair of boots. Say it. I just bought a new pair of boots. These loafers are so comfortable. Say it. These loafers are so comfortable. Notice we say a pair of shoes, a pair of boots, a pair of sandals. In English, shoes always come in pairs. So we always use that phrase, a pair of. Learn it. Use it every time. Describing the color and material. Off to style, people want to know what they look like up close. Color and material do that job. For color, the pattern is simple. They are all white with a black sole. Say it. They are all white with a black sole. These are dark brown with gold buckles. Say it. These are dark brown with gold buckles. They are a deep burgundy color. Say it. They are a deep burgundy color. Now for material. This is where your English goes from basic to impressive. Leather, hard, smooth, and elegant. Suede, soft leather with a velvety texture. Canvas, light fabric, usually on sneakers. Rubber, flexible and waterproof, usually the sole. Use this simple pattern. They are made of genuine leather. Say it. They are made of genuine leather. These are made of canvas, so they are very light. Say it. These are made of canvas, so they are very light. The sole is rubber, so they grip really well. Say it. The sole is rubber, so they grip really well. One sentence. Style, color, material. Your shoes are already coming alive in English. Where you got them. This is the part of the conversation that people love most. The story behind the shoes. We use 2 simple patterns. I got these from a small shop in the city center. Say it. I got these from a small shop in the city center. I bought them at an outlet sale last summer. Say it. I bought them at an outlet sale last summer. I actually found these online. Best decision I ever made. Say it. I actually found these online. Best decision I ever made. That last sentence. Best decision I ever made. It sounds natural, warm, and a little dramatic. Native speakers talk like this all the time. They exaggerate slightly to show enthusiasm. It keeps the conversation alive and makes the other person smile. Try it. Use it. It will make your English feel instantly more human. How they feel and you love them. This is the layer that takes a basic description and turns it into a real conversation. Sharing how your shoes feel or why you love them makes you sound warm, expressive, and completely natural. They are incredibly comfortable. I could wear them all day. Say it. They are incredibly comfortable. I could wear them all day. They look elegant, but honestly, they kill my feet. Say it. They look elegant, but honestly, they kill my feet. These are my go-to shoes. I wear them with everything. Say it. These are my go-to shoes. I wear them with everything. I've had these for 3 years and they still look brand new. Say it. I've had these for 3 years and they still look brand new. That phrase, go-to shoes is pure native English. It means the shoes you always reach for. Your default. Your favorite. Learn that phrase. Own it completely. Putting IT all together. Let's build one complete natural answer. Someone smiles and asks, I love your shoes. Where did you get those? Here is your answer. Thank you so much. These are leather loafers I found at a small boutique about 6 months ago. They are dark tan with a rubber sole, so they are really comfortable to walk in. I wear them with almost everything, honestly. I have been looking for the perfect pair for years, and when I found these, I just knew, best purchase I have made in a long time. Read it again. Style, material, color, where you got them, how they feel, personal feeling at the end, every piece working together, one answer that sounds completely real. Quick review. To name the style, sneakers, boots, heels, loafers, sandals, flats. To describe color and material, they are, and they are made of. To say where you got them, I got these from, or I bought them at. To share a feeling, be honest, be expressive. Use phrases like go to and I could wear them all day. 4 pieces. One complete answer. In natural, confident English, you walked into this lesson unable to describe something you wear every single day. Now you can. That is the beauty of English. Everything around you is a conversation waiting to happen. Your shoes, your bag, your jacket, every object is a door into connection. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and we will see you in the next lesson at English Cat Academy.